मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा।
Subscribe now.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Are you all hidden? I am coming. Okay, Sonu is hiding here. I will catch her now. Gotcha! Hello!
Wow! Hey!
Candlelight Garba has made my heart so happy. What do you say, Tapu Stan?
What have you done, Daya? Hey! Hey, Daya! Listen, Daya! Daya! Stop dancing in your dream and light this candle, man.
Oh, it was a dream.
Yes. Yes.
It was so amazing.
Hey, man, we are not here to do candlelight Garba. We have come here to find out why the power is out in the society.
Did a dancing ghost possess Daya auntie?
Here, take this. Huh? These mosquitoes are so annoying.
Uncle, on your nose. It's sitting on your nose, uncle. Now it's on your head, uncle.
Let's blow out the candles. Hey, Hathi, be careful, man. What is this?
Sorry, Jethalal.
It's okay, it's okay. Huh?
Hey, Bene, I wanted to blow out my candle.
Easy, guys.
How funny these people are.
Come on, since the power is back, let's go and sleep comfortably. Let's go, let's go.
Today I will have fun with the pranksters. I will definitely scare the Tapu Sena. I will definitely do it. I will shake the world.
What is this? The power went out again? Now I'll teach them a lesson.
Looks like you all got badly scared. How did I scare you? Huh? I scared the Tapu Sena today. Got so scared just by this. When I was your age, I used to go and hide in dark places alone during hide and seek. And then there's you guys.
Popat uncle, don't laugh so much. If we had scared you, you also would have scared like us. Yes.
That's true. That's what I'm saying. I'm not a coward like you guys. Cowardly kids. But it was so much fun. Did you see Sonu's face? Cowardly kids.
Popat uncle is the Tappu Sena's next target. Now there is only one mission to scare the guts out of him. Yeah!
Come on, journalist Popatlal. Today's work is finished. Ah, it's completely deserted. Looks like I got too late at the office today. Ah, what happened to this light? Seems I have to go home quickly.
Come on, Tappu Sena, let the mission begin!
Today's news is done. Just hope there is no problem overnight. Huh. Who's making this piss sound like a water spray? Is it a fountain? It seems someone is following me. I can hear voices, but can't see anyone. I can't figure out if this is the sound of my footsteps or someone else. Is the dancing ghost really appeared? Save me. I gather the courage to look back. What should I do? Where should I go?
Yes, Tappu Sena. So, Popat uncle, we scared you, didn't we?
Tappu Sena. I wasn't scared. I just slipped on this banana skin and fell down. Nothing else. It's not that easy to scare Popat uncle. Go now. Go to your homes. Go.
The banana peel saved you today, but we will see how long you can escape.
The kids really scared me today.
Quietly follow me. Sonu, start. I will tear your umbrella into pieces.
Who's it? Who's it? Who's that enemy with my umbrella?
Goki!
It seems it was a bad dream. Who's it? Who's it? Nowadays, even dreams feel like they are in 3D. Now this light has started turning on and off too. Let me drink some water.
The Trinity Coast.
Hey, Puppet Uncle got scared.
Got scared.
Puppet Uncle got scared. Puppet Uncle got scared. He isn't scared. He fell asleep.
What? But this was a foolproof plan.
Looks like Popat Uncle doesn't get scared for real.
I have one last idea that will definitely scare Puppet Uncle. Let's scare him tomorrow. Looking at him, I'm feeling sleepy too. Let's rest today. Tomorrow we will definitely scare Puppet Uncle.
I don't know what other tricks they will try on me. These kids have scared me so much that I can't tell if the ghost is real or fake. I don't know who might appear from where. Who's it? Who's it? Who's it? I will shake the world. Who's it? Who's it? Let me quickly slip into the house. Who knows who might come from where? Let's go.
Gogi has been giving a signal.
Gogi, look, I'm giving the signal.
Now the lights have also gone out.
Double ghost attack alert!
Goli, what are you eating? Let's go.
Oh my God.
Goli is something else.
There's no one here.
Get up change. Get up change.
Yes! Mission is on! Why do these two look like third-grade ghosts from a second-hand film? Puppet Uncle will surely get scared and won't laugh, right, Tippo? This is a foolproof plan, Sanu, which is also working.
Yeah.
Hey, forget the kids. These days, even the crows don't sleep on you at night. Who's that? Dancing girls. I think he's gone. Let's go.
Popat Uncle's world has been shaken. Golly, go this way, right in front of Popat Uncle.
The final part of the plan.
I can't see anyone anywhere. Where did they go? Where did they go? Huh? Who just bumped into me? There is no one visible here. No. What wrong I have done to you all? Now what has happened? Oh my God, what all is going to happen to me today? This is a strange place. Oh, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. Why are these ghosts increasing in number again and again?
You are not afraid of us ghosts, so we are increasing our fear.
Oh, who said I'm not scared? I'm very scared of you all. I'm very scared. I'm very scared of every single thing. No. I don't know what wrong I have done to ghosts. Everywhere I look, I see only ghosts. Please stop. Just stop. Just stop. I haven't slept for 2 days out of fear. I don't even remember when I last ate food.
Why, Popat Uncle? Did your world get shaken?
It means you are a little scared, right?
Little? Oh, Lord! I'm very scared of all things.
Did you see Tapu's plan?
Help!
Popat Uncle's world seems to be shaken a bit too much.
La la la. Hey.
Hey, Kohli.
Tapu, look over there. Beery uncle is being checked. So let's do it.
Let's do it.
Beep, 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 beep.
Sorry, I'll be back in a minute. Let me take out my watch and purse. Yes, check now. I ate a tomato. I didn't know it had enough iron to be detected. I am the one and only secretary of Gokul Dham Society. I always follow the rules. You all? Why was it beeping? I will not spare you. Wait. Stop!
Hathi bro, let me help you. A little more force, Hathi bro.
You won't make noise inside, right?
No, I will not.
You won't cause any chaos, will you?
No, I won't create chaos.
Then please go out. What are you doing here? This is what people come here to do. Come in. Welcome, friend.
Oh my, goodness me. This unique fair is going to be so much fun. Well, you see, my voice has been a bit off for the last 5 years, but it's okay. Hey, hello!
Hey, Daya. Oh, Daya.
Did you see, son? If you go on the big ride, you will feel dizzy like this.
Okay, Dad.
Is there anyone who can display more power than me?
Hey, bro, wait a bit. I'll give it a shot.
Very good,
All
Jetha
the best,
bro.
all the best. Here's the hammer.
This is a bit too heavy for me.
Hey, Jetha bro. On, give it a try. Give me the hammer. Now let me see why the record won't break.
Hey, come on, Sodi bro. Break the record.
Yes, Jetha bro. Oh, I got be careful.
I will show you what power is.
Hey, Puppet Lal.
Hey, Hathi bro, help me. Thank you, Hathi bro, thank you.
Hey, Puppet Bro flew away. Now you see, I will also try. Hey, go for it. Come on, Hathi Bro.
Well done, Hathi bro.
Hey, hello.
Huh?
Tickets.
Hey, ticket lady. Give us 2 tickets, please.
I am not the ticket lady. I am a world famous national award winner.
Wow, she looks like a celebrity. Madam, autograph, please.
I'm the neighbor of the Emperor of Music. Hey, where are you running? Hey, wait. Please.
Hey, what happened, auntie?
My Kundan wants to go on this ride, but I'm very scared of it. Please, can you take him along with you?
Friends, the Tapu Sena can easily take care of a little kid. Yes, Tapu. By the way, Auntie, what's your name?
My name? Huh? Kulkamini, Kutup Upadhyay, Chakravarti, or Khushwaha. It could have been. But it is Munni. Take care of him.
Auntie,
Yes?
I'll take care of him. I'm a very responsible kid. Hey, Goli, take care of yourself first. See, I'm responsible for this too.
Here, this is the money for 5 tickets. Come on, kids. Come and get your tickets.
Come on, Sundar. Let's go and have fun on
Bye
the giant
bye.
wheel.
Oh, wow. Giant wheel.
Hey, this is going to be so much fun. Why isn't this giant wheel moving?
Oh, what happened to it? Since morning it was working fine. I'll run it at full speed now. Oh, it's still not working. What to do now?
Hey, brother, why is this not working?
Oh, brother, maybe it got stuck. Hey, crane operator! Please help us pull it with the crane!
I'll get down and see what happened. Hey, it started moving.
Hey, it's a puppy.
Oh no, this speed isn't slowing down at all. What should I do now?
Hey, what a cute puppy this is. Kundan, Kundan. This giant wheel is moving way too fast.
Oh my god, this slide looks very dangerous. I can't jump.
Sonu's dad, please go. The slide will be fun.
Not under any circumstances. Under no circumstances can I jump from here. Even if God wants, I will not jump from here. Oh, Madhvi, there is no water either. Oh, God, save me. Oh, no.
Thank God, Tapu, we were safe because of the tall clown. Huh?
If anyone stops me from eating now, I'll shake the world. This is why I have remained thin. No one is letting me eat.
Oh, this is the bull riding game. Insert coin.
Hey, children, the bull game is over there. Why are you sitting on a real bull?
Huh?
Oh, please save us! is Kundan. I'll get him.
Are you snatching my purse? If you needed money, you could have just asked.
Kundan, I will save you.
I caught him. Come on, friends. Let's take a selfie with him.
Cheese. Where did Kundan go?
Huh? Hey, he ran away.
Then why didn't you tell us?
If I had, it would have ruined the selfie.
It's just because of your pout Kundan is out. Huh?
What an aroma! And there's no one around either. I'll eat with great enjoyment.
Hey, Popatlal, people in the country are not getting food and you're wasting food here.
Listen to me. Hello. I did not trust Kundan with some big, beefy bodybuilder. In fact, I trusted him with children.
Hey, look there. Kundan is there. Let's go.
This is
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮೆಂದೋಣ
Hey, Kundan, wait. Idea. Let's call the dog by mewing like a cat.
Oh no, where did this mouse come from?
Friends, look over there. Even Kundan ran away.
There, sister, throw the ring.
Okay.
I will sell this soft toy for free with my TV. The customers will increase. Hey, thank you, Daya. Come, let's go.
Dad, that's Kundan. Please give it to me.
No, no. I will keep this in my shop.
Wait, Dad.
Oh my goodness. God. Tapu's dad, please wait.
Hey, Dad, wait. Dad, wait. Hey, Dad, wait.
What do you mean by wait?
How wonderful is this? Amazing!
Wait, Dad. Wait, wait, wait. Give back Kundan to me.
Please get aside.
Kundan!
Oh no!
Hey, Tapu, no! Tapu! Hey, Tapu! Be careful, son! Be careful!
Oh my goodness, God. Tapu Sena, be careful.
It has less salt. I'll add some. This has less chili. I'll add that too.
Huh? You guys are here? I did not look for you over the mountains, under the sea, in palaces or in huts. I was waiting for you right here.
It's a good thing she's not our teacher. She would teach the whole syllabus and then say it's not in the exam.
Here is your Kundan auntie.
Thank you. Sit here. Hello. My Kundan wants to go on this ride, but I am very scared of this. Please, can you take him along with you?
Okay, madam.
This is the way I hand over Kundan to someone at the fair so that I can shop in peace.
Huh? By the way, Kundan was very lucky for us. Our parents would never let us go on that ride, but we could go because of Kundan. High five! Yay!